a claim was made.
बीजेपी की तरफ से
Raman ji, a claim was made that 150 district magistrates were called by the Home Minister to influence the result. And as you know, the Election Commission wrote to Jairam Ramesh saying, please prove your point. Have you heard a response so far from Jairam Ramesh? No, he had time till 7:30 today. In your view, this isn't this shoot and scoot, classic Congress strategy. Is this serious politics? Saurabh?
No, sir. What I'm seeing is, when Joe Biden came as the president of the United States, the whole liberal media was saying that we also want a Joe Biden. But the moment, and they were considering Tejasvi Yadav as Joe Biden. But the moment BJP won in Bihar and the moment Narendra Modi ji is winning in India, what they are saying is now they are becoming Donald Trump. They are not allowing the current government to swan. This is the final opportunity for the opposition, according to me. Because what happens is this, for the first time I'm seeing on social media, common men are targeted. 56 years in this country, a dynasty was ruling relentlessly. At that time, no one talked about the psyche and IQ of the Indian people. For the first time, a person gets elected for third. Tomorrow he may be elected for the third time. And psyche and IQ of the Indian people is under question. Now we talked also about the social media. Social media, this is the following, that is the following, they don't have following. But the gentleman also talked about the toilets. What I'm asking is, if a person is a beneficiary of a toilet, do you think that he's going to commit that thing and he's going to open that thing on social media that I have become defecation free? He will not. He will be the silent voter of that particular party.
That's a very good point.
Similarly, if a person does not have tap water in his house, is he going to be active on social media? These people can't even write 4 to 5 lines in English, Hindi, Marathi, whatever mother tongue they have. They are not from that particular category. But when they have a tap water connection, when they have a toilet at their place, at that time they become beneficiary and they become the silent voters.
Saurabh, you are talking about the silent voters. There is also what the Prime Minister called the silent foreign destructive ideology. Saurabhji, I am not a conspiracy theorist, but I believe that money is being spent in India against the interests of our country. After all, George Soros said that I will spend $1 billion to fund a network which will oppose people who are pro-nationalism. And these are the words of George Soros. He said that democratically elected Narendra Modi is creating a Hindu nationalist state. How do I know, Saurabh Shah, that the money of George Soros is not going into funding protests against the results of the general elections? Because the pre-planned manner almost seems to be almost as if there's a sense of remote control about the entire proceedings. What do you think, Saurabh?
You're absolutely right. Soros and his associates, they are spread across the Europe. They are going to fund in a very big way. What we have seen in Shaheen Bagh or farmers' agitation is just a small trailer, very small trailer of it. Some people say that they will not dare to challenge Modi. I say that they will become a daredevil.
Karo ya maro. Daredevils on this.
Karo ya maro. क्योंकि वैसे तो भी मरने वाले हैं वो लोग, हाँ? तो अभी खत्म करके, you remember the Prime Minister's car was gheraud at Punjab, just 10 kilometers away from Pakistan. Very small film called Civil War had come recently. Very bad film. But in that film, they have shown, it's from Hollywood. They have shown, I've seen that film, killing the President of United States in Oval Office. That's their agenda. And I have just 2 days back, I have written that article, and I have wished that my wishes are, I pray God that all these predictions of mine, I prove wrong. I want to tell Razak Saab,
Razak, listen to Saurabh Shah, very senior journalist.
आप बोलते हैं कि लोग मोदी के नाम पे वोट आते हैं, मोदी ये मोदी वे, क्या बेहतर है भारत के लिए? मोदी के नाम पे वोट आए, या राहुल के नाम पे वोट आए, या अखिलेश के नाम पे वोट आए, या केजरीवाल के नाम पे वोट आए? किसके नाम पे वोट आए? किसका ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड सही है? आप बताइए मुझे, किसका ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड सही है? राहुल का है?
सर, आप
केजरीवाल का है?
आप गुजरात से हैं, इतिहास में कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ था। पूरे क्षेत्रीय सब लोग मोदी जी के खिलाफ 3 लाख लोगों ने प्रोटेस्ट किया, आपने देखा। तो आज आप कह रहे हैं कि वो पूरे सारे लोग मोदी जी को ही वोट किए। एक तो मोदी जी से नाराज, इलेक्शन चालू है और वो लोग नाराज हैं।
अगर ये प्रोटेस्ट,
सुनिए सर,
सुनिए मुझे,
हरियाणा, पंजाब, दिल्ली,
रजाक जी इनको इनकी बात काउंटर सुन लीजिए।
इतना बड़ा प्रोटेस्ट जो दिखाया जाता है, उसके बावजूद पुरुषोत्तम रूपाला के सामने ये हुआ था।
पटेल का भी एजेंट हुआ था ना,
उसके बावजूद रूपाला जी हम मेजॉरिटी से 5 लाख से ज्यादा वोट से राजकोट में जीते हैं।
की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, मैं बोल रहा हूं कि किसान आंदोलन, किसान भी आंदोलन में रहे, मोदी जी की गवर्नमेंट के खिलाफ आंदोलन करते रहे। आप कह रहे हैं कि सारे मोदी जी को वोट कर दिए।
देखिए
सर, महिलाएं उनके खिलाफ थी, आप कह रहे हैं कि सारे वोट कर दिए।
देखिए
सर, अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट के लिए युवा उनके खिलाफ है, वो भी वोट कर दिए। आप कह रहे हैं कि सब कुछ प्रॉब्लमैटिक है देश में, ये भी मोदी को वोट कर दिया।
किसान आंदोलन एक
और इस हालत में इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया नंबर्स नहीं देती, परसेंटेज।
रजाक जी एक मिनट,
मैं गलत हूं तो करेक्ट कीजिए अर्नब जी।
रमनीक
अर्नब, सबसे पहली बात तो लेट मी एक्सप्लेन दिस टू यू। ना तो इनके पास नेता है, ना नीति है, ना नियत है।
ये तो मोदी जी का डायलॉग है।
सुनो भाई, सुनो, ये डायलॉग की बात नहीं है, सच्चाई है। नहीं हजम होती तो
नेता भी है, नीति भी है, नियत भी है।
कौन है नेता तुम्हारा? क्या नीति है? आई विल टेल यू नीति, सुन लो। इनकी नीति है टू क्रिएट chaos, सिविल अनरेस्ट, एनार्की इन द कंट्री। और आई विल टेल यू, प्रोटेस्ट्स आर नॉट अ पैरामीटर। इलेक्शंस आर, सुनो, आपने बोला ना इतने लोग इकट्ठे हुए, उतने लोग इकट्ठे हुए,
वो तो हुआ ना।
सुनो ना, पटेल एजिटेशन हुआ, उसके बाद गुजरात में बीजेपी केम टू पावर। लेट्स डिस्कस द कोर इश्यूज इन दिस इलेक्शन। आर दीज इलेक्शंस रिग्ड? यस और नो? टेल मी नाउ। कल मत बोलना, कल मत बोलना। You don't know, then you don't speak about it.
Election Commission of India itself. Integrity of ECI.
Why are you speaking?
They never spoke up against
आप कल तक सो रहे थे।
They did not
जब
book
इलेक्शन
cases on
1 तारीख को लास्ट फेज
They
का
did
वोटिंग
not
का-
give numbers.
Voting
They gave
happened
percentages
after
11 days.
The elections happened in
After
7
11
phases.
days. Sir, आज
7 फेज में चुनाव हुआ, 7 में। आज बोल रहे हो आप?
सर, आर्टिफिशियल
पोलिंग के 4 दिन बाद बोल रहे हो।
सवेरे वोट हुआ, शाम तक आप 5 बजे तक नंबर्स दे रहे हो।
हाउ डू यू नो?
आप फाइनल नंबर
हाउ डू यू नो? ये हर बार हुआ है,
रजाक,
हर बार हुआ है रजाक।